Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your HMRC account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. First on your computer, open up your desktop and first on your computer open up your preferred browser, and I have already opened the Google Chrome as you can see, and on the search bar click over here and type in HMRC login on Google like this and hit enter, and you can see the sign in or register to HMRC online services.gov.uk. Click over here and you can see the sign in option available over here. Just click there. And now to sign in to your HMRC account, just type in your government gateway user ID and your password over here and simply sign in to your HMRC account, or you can just create sign in details. And then guys, this is how you log into your HMRC account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.